Okay, good day everyone. Now we will be having our cholangitis. Okay, pag sinabi natin cholangitis, it is a medical emergency because it is a serious, okay, and potential life-threatening condition wherein there is an infection and inflammation in your what? In your biliary ducts. Okay, etong part na to, may inflammation or infection because of what? Because of your obstruction. Okay, because of your obstruction. Now, what are the modifiable and non-modifiable risk factors for your cholangitis? We have your obesity. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, same lang siya such as your um, choledocholitiasis, same lang siya with your cholecystitis, okay? Yung mga modifiable and non-modifiable risk factors natin. So, what's the problem in your cholangitis? Nagkaroon ng biliary obstruction. Dahil nagkaroon ng biliary obstruction, okay, there is an increased biliary pressure. Okay, and then nung nagkaroon ng increased biliary pressure, nagkaroon ng bile stasis. Okay, dahil nagkaroon ng bile stasis, okay, naaalaw ngayon na nagkakaroon ng bacterial growth. Okay, saan ang gagaling yung bacteria, no? Sa duodenum. Okay, and then if nagkaroon ng bile stasis at naalaw yung bacterial growth natin doon, nag-i-increase yung pressure. Okay, nag-i-increase yung pressure. Okay, because of the bacteria and the toxins in the blood stream. Okay, and then what? Okay, what? Okay, nagkaroon ng, yung mga bacteria pwede na siyang mag-enter sa systemic circulation, causing your what? Causing your sepsis. And then eventually, if not treated, it could lead to your shock. Okay? So we have triad na tinatawag pagdating sa cholangitis natin. Okay? We have your Charcot's triad. Ano yung mga yon? Your right upper quadrant pain, your fever, and your jaundice. Okay? And also, we also have your Reynolds pentad. Okay? Pag sinabi nating pentad, 5 yan. Okay? Charcot's triad, 3, plus your hypotension and your altered mental status. So, that's your penta. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, 5. Okay? So, ano yung complication ng cholangitis natin? We have your sepsis, your septic shock, your liver failure, pancreatitis, abscess. Okay? It should be abscess. Abscess formation and your multi-organ failure and eventually death. Okay, so diagnostics, same. Okay, your elevated AST, ALT, bilirubin amylase, lipase, your ALP, and your CRP. And then we also have your prolactin and your blood culture. Okay, and then sa CBC natin, makikita natin dyan, increase ang WBC because of what? Because of infection. Okay, and then we also have your ERCP, yung tinatawag natin na endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography. Okay? So, ito yung treatment of choice natin for your what? For your cholangitis. Cholangitis. Okay. So, magbibigay ba tayo ng antibiotics dyan? Yes. Okay. We also have your imaging. Okay. Like your abdominal ultrasound. Okay. Ang makikita natin dyan, nagkaroon ng biliary dilation. Okay. And then sa CT scan natin, ginagamit lang natin to kapag complicated case na siya. Okay? So, ano yung mga treatment natin for your cholangitis? Okay? In emergency cases, you need to what? Instruct your patient to NPO. Okay? Your nating per orem, IV fluids, antibiotics. Kailangan din yan. Pain medication, and your antipyretics. Okay? Ito yung pang fever ninyo. Okay? And then, emergency ERCP. Okay? Your biliary decompression, stone extraction, and stent placement. Okay? Then sa surgery natin, we have your percutaneous biliary drainage. Okay? Nursing diagnosis natin, acute pain, risk for infection, impaired tissue perfusion, risk for shock, and your imbalance nutrition less than body requirements. Okay, pagdating naman sa intervention natin, we have your what? You have to monitor the vital sign of your patient, especially the pain and the temperature of your patient. Okay, isama na natin dyan ang mental status ng pasyente nyo and then your laboratories. And you need to instruct to your patient to maintain on an NPO and then administer antibiotics and IV fluids as prescribed. Prescribe and then prepare for ERCP and then monitor UO. Bakit kailangan i-monitor ang urine output? Okay, bakit kailangan i-monitor ang urine output? Okay, para malaman natin if what? proper pa ba yung what? Tissue perfusion, okay? Especially saan? Sa kidney. Okay? And then education natin, importance of early treatment, recognize warning sign, and then your low-fat diet. Okay, so ngayon may mga sample questions tayo dito. So, sagutan natin. Ayan, sige, sagutan natin. Okay, basahin ko lang. A 58-year-old male is admitted with fever, right upper quadrant, abdominal pain, and jaundice after several days of biliary colic. Okay? Pag sinabi nating biliary colic, pain yan. Okay? He appears toxic, hypotensive, confused with laboratory findings showing leukocytosis, elevated bilirubin, and increased alkaline phosphate. So now, first question. Upon noting hypotension and confusion, the nurse recognized progression beyond Charcot's triad. This finding indicate which of the following serious complication. Okay? So what would be the complication? Is it A, B, C, or D? If ang sagot mo is letter B, incorrect yan. Okay? Bakit? Yung hepatic encephalopathy ninyo is for what? Liver cirrhosis. Okay? So, liver cirrhosis. Okay? And then, yung biliary colic natin, okay, incorrect din yan. Bakit? Your biliary colic causes episodic right upper quadrant pain without fever. Okay? So, without fever. Jaundice or systemic toxicity. And then, acute gastritis, incorrect din yan. Okay? Presence with epigastric pain and nausea, not jaundice or hemodynamic instability. So, mali yan. Anong sagot natin? It's your letter A. Kasi napag-usapan natin kanina that we have your Reynolds pentad. Okay? Your Reynolds pentad consists of your Charcot's triad. Okay? Ano yung Charcot's triad natin? Your fever, right upper quadrant pain, and your jaundice. Pag Reynolds pentad naman, okay, idadagdag lang natin yung hypotension and altered mental status. Okay? So, pag nagkaroon ng pentad, Reynolds pentad, ibig sabihin, okay, it indicates na nagkakaroon na siya ng severe ascending cholangitis with what? With sepsis. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, nagkakaroon na siya ng sepsis. Okay? So, that's your number 1. Okay? Number 2, during planning, the nurse prioritizes intervention to prevent septic shock. Okay, prevention ng septic shock ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. Immediate management should focus on which action? Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay, so ano magiging sagot mo? If your answer is letter A, elective cholecystectomy, okay, surgery is contraindicated during acute sepsis. Okay, kahit sa totoong buhay, hindi yan ia-allow. Okay, hindi yan ia-allow. Bakit? The patient must be stabilized first. Okay? Dapat stabilize mo na yung pasyente nyo bago siya mag-undergo ng what? Ng surgery. Okay? So, mali yung letter A nyo. If ang sagot nyo naman is letter B, incorrect pa rin yan. Okay? Bakit? Oral acid therapy. Ang ginagamit natin dyan is your UDCA. Okay? Ano yung UDCA natin? It's your ursodeoxycholic acid. Okay? It is used for cholesterol stone prevention, not in acute infection. Okay? So, ang sagot mo is letter C, mali pa din. Bakit? Okay, fat-restricted diet, dietary management does not address life-threatening infection. Okay, so what would be the answer? It's your letter D. Okay, the use of broad spectrum IV antibiotics. Bakit? Immediate antibiotics are essential to what? To control biliary infection and prevent septic shock. Okay, to be followed by your biliary decompression. Okay? Next item, while reassessing pain, okay, yung pain, the nurse differentiate cholangitis and your cholecystitis. Okay? This distinction is supported by which clinical finding? Okay? Which clinical finding? What would be your answer? Okay, is it A, localized right upper quadrant tenderness only? That's incorrect, okay? Because yung ating right upper quadrant tenderness, nakikita yan sa both. Nakikita yan sa what? Cholangitis nyo and your cholecystitis, okay? C, absence of fever. Okay? If ang sagot mo absence of fever, mali yan. Why? Because your cholangitis typically presents with fever. Okay? So, positive sa fever daw ang cholangitis ninyo. Okay? And then, kapag ang sagot mo, letter D, incorrect pa din. Bakit? Kasi sa cholangitis natin, elevated ang bilirubin at ALP natin. Okay? So, elevated ang what? Ang bilirubin and your ALP. Okay, so the answer is letter B, presence of jaundice. Okay, bakit yan ang sagot? Because jaundice indicates biliary obstruction. Okay, your jaundice is a hallmark of cholangitis but not simple cholecystitis. Okay, next item. During nursing diagnosis formulation, okay, formulation of what? The most appropriate priority diagnosis is identified. The diagnosis should focus on what? Okay, which problem is it? A, B, C, or D? Okay, if your answer is letter B, that is incorrect. Why? It is imbalanced nutrition or your nutrition is important but not life-threatening in acute phases. So, mali ang imbalanced nutrition. If ang sagot mo is chronic pain, is still incorrect. Why? Pain is acute and secondary to infection. And then, if ang sagot mo is disturbed sleep pattern, incorrect pa din. Kasi low priority natin siya compared to systemic infection. So, the answer is letter A. Bakit letter A? Remember that your hypotension, your fever, your confusion, and your leukocytosis indicates impending sepsis. Okay? Impending sepsis, making this a top priority. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ito yung kailangan nating i-correct agad. Okay? And for the last item, before discharge teaching. Okay? Before discharge teaching, the nurses emphasize prevention of recurrence. Yung pabalik-balik. Okay? And then education should primarily focus on which measure. Okay? On which measure. Now, what will be your answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay, if your answer is letter A, avoidance of antibiotics, mali yan. Bakit? Antibiotics are critical in treating your infection. It should not be avoided. Okay, so mali ang letter B, ay letter A. Okay, kung ang sagot mo naman increased dietary fat intake, mali din yan. It is incorrect. Why? High fat intake may worsen gallstone. Okay, may worsen gallstone related symptoms. Okay, so mali pa din. If your answer is letter D, routine laxative use, incorrect yan. Bakit? Wala siyang role sa biliary disease prevention natin. So what would be your answer? It's your letter C, early management of your gallstone. Bakit? Okay, gallstones are primary cause of your cholangitis. Okay, timely treatment prevents recurrence. Okay, so timely treatment prevents recurrence. So the best answer is your letter C. So that would be your cholangitis.